If you want to know how you can create notes on the Galaxy Tab A9 or the A9 Plus 5G, so in this video, I will show you how you can do that. First of all, just open the Notes app on your tablet. Now, if you want to create a new note, just tap on the Compose button over here. Now from here, you can either use the keyboard to type your note, or you can use your stylus to write your note. For example, I will select this pen. Now from here, you can write your note. If you want to remove what you have written, just select the eraser tool and swipe over the object which you want to remove. Just like that. Now, other than the eraser tool, you have the highlighter. Now, if you tap on the highlighter, you can select between the different types of the markers and highlighters available. From here, you can increase or decrease the thickness of the stroke, and also you can increase or decrease the opacity of the stroke. From here, you can select between the different colors available, just like that. Now from here, you can use your highlighter just like that. Now also you have the option of the pen. If you tap on the pen, you can select between the different types of pens you have over here. And in the same way, you can increase or decrease the thickness of the stroke, and you can increase or decrease the opacity of the stroke, just like that. Over here, you have your laser pointer, and using this tool, you can highlight an object on the screen, and it will be removed automatically after you create it, just like that. Now, as you can see, this is a note which we have created. Now, if you want to add pictures to your note, just go to the Recent Apps section and drag the Notes app to the side. After you open split screen, just open the browser or any other app on the other side. Now, for an example, let's select a picture. For example, let's select this picture. Now, just tap and hold on the picture and drag it to the Notes app. Now, for example, I will drag it over here. Now you can resize the picture as you like, just like that. And once you're done resizing the picture, just tap on anywhere on the screen to save the changes. And with the same way, you can copy any text from any other app and you can paste it to the Notes app. For example, let's go back and let's copy this text. After you select the text, just tap on copy. Now just go back to the Notes app and paste your copied text just like that. Now, if you want to change the background color of your note, you can also do that from the app. Now, let's open the app in full screen view. Now, for an example, if you want to change the background of the page, just tap on the three dots over here, then tap on Page Settings. And from here, you can select any background color from the available over here, just like that. Now, once you're done creating your note, just tap on the title over here and you can give a name to your note, just like that. Then tap on the back button. As you can see, we have successfully saved the note which we have created, just like that. And this is how you can make notes on the Galaxy Tab A9 or the A9 Plus 5G. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.